Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to make some mashed potato. Let's start off by peeling some spuds. Get them all peeled up. What I like to do as well with the potato peelings is use them as compost in my garden. Don't waste them unless you have to. Right, let's give you a little wash. Then what we're going to do is cut them up into small pieces, as you can see that I'm doing right here. Once we've done that, very simply, we're going to drop them in a lot of cold water, nice big pan. We're going to add some salt. We're going to bring them to the boil. We're going to boil them for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size. It doesn't really matter. And then what we're going to do is get them really soft, super soft, baby food soft, so you can kind of cut them with a spoon. Okay, what we need to do next is drain them off, any water that's in there, drain it off, go back into the same pot, and then we're going to start mashing them. I'm using a kind of regular looking potato masher. There are other versions on the market. In we go, bit of elbow grease. Let's mash this up for a couple of minutes. Then what we need to do is add some black pepper, and be fairly generous with your black pepper. And then we're going to add also some butter. Get a nice big knob of butter, cut that in, and then give that another mash. And then finally what we're going to do is add some milk. And it's quite important not to add the milk with the butter and the pepper. Let the butter do its thing first, then some milk in there. Give it another mash and it's pretty much done. You can add some salt if you want, but my butter's got salt in it, and we did add salt when we put the potatoes into the water. Other things you can add: sweet corn, chopped onions, some garlic, some parsley or some other kind of herb, but that's it. Super easy, delicious, creamy mashed potato or creamed potatoes. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of potato mashing love.